Hey guys, so I am currently downtown. I'm at my sister's apartment right now. I'm also holding this camera like over the balcony, so I don't want to do that. But today I'm going to be doing my first, well, not my first actually. I went apartment touring with Grace last year, but I am looking to see if I can find my perfect apartment in Toronto for this next year. So I'm gonna be seeing 6 places today. They're all in the same building, and it's the exact same building that my sister lives in, which is crazy, but I have to go meet my real estate agent in like about 10 minutes. My dad, my mom, and my sister are all coming to go see the unit. Literally, I can't believe this is happening right now. Like, I'm gonna go look for my own apartment for myself in Toronto. And I'm going to film all of them for you guys and also answer some questions at the end and explain why I'm moving when I literally told you guys that I wasn't. I'll explain all of that at the end, but stay tuned and subscribe and hit the bell if you want to see me go on this journey. There will be so many vlogs and videos to come after this if I do find my dream apartment, so let's cross our fingers that I do find it. I will see you guys when we go to the building. Mom, what are your feelings about this? Do you think I'll find the right one?
I know you'll find the right one.
Love attraction. What about you, Dad?
Definitely.
And the good thing is we don't have to drive there right now. We can just walk there from my sister's current building. She's moving into this building that we're going into on November 1st. And then if I find the right spot, then I'm gonna be moving in after, because I'm pretty sure my family doesn't want to move 2 people in at the exact same time. This is crazy. Oh my God, what is going on? Okay, I'm having too much fun. Whole squad be rolling. Are we all wearing white shoes? Oh no, we're not. Let's go get rid of me. You're not gonna have me in your house to annoy you anymore. Yay!
Easy.
Hand sanitizer tutorial. I had way too much caffeine today, so I'm like shaking. Also because I'm excited. Okay, we're going in. We're gonna take some Instagram photos now. You have to be really quiet. But I think this is gonna be good lighting. We got some photos here. Took a little burst. I'm gonna be like, guess what I'm doing? These are so random. They're all gonna be like, you in a hospital? So what we also have to do when we go in is we have to look for this little bulletin board that's gonna show us the cost of parking, because I'm gonna need 1 spot. Obviously I'm bringing my car, but the apartments that we're looking at I don't think come with parking, so I'm gonna have to rent a separate spot.
So how are you guys doing?
Fantastic.
Awesome. Definitely smaller than I thought. This is the room. Little closet. The view with a balcony, which is nice. Little townhouses and some green. And then over here we have, oh, it's a long balcony. Fridge right here. Is this a freezer? Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
The freezer's actually so
wow.
like dishwasher's almost regular size. Like,
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Yeah, I like the light kitchen. I think we picked all of them with like a light color kitchen.
so crazy what the pandemic has done to rental prices.
This little closet,
$26.
laundry, bathroom. Nice and bright. Some storage down here. I love the lighting here.
Yeah.
They have a really nice like makeup light and stuff.
Very nice and bright.
Oh, nice big closet. Yeah, that is huge. I like the windows. Balcony goes all the way to the other room. Okay, first bedroom. There's less storage in this one and less counter space, but it's still the same kind of vibe. So technically this is like the size of a 2nd bedroom. This is huge. This is actually such a cool floor.
Why is it cool?
It's cool because it's like carpet and then it's like wood.
Guys, come see this huge one. Look at this.
Are we allowed to go in? My gosh.
Oh my God.
Oh, this is, oh my gosh. Oh, look at these windows. Oh my God. We're baddies. That's huge. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. We weren't supposed to go in there, but
Nice.
small closet.
Thanks.
It's okay. Oh, oh, I like this. Nice frosted glass door. 2 bathrooms. Oh my gosh, it's a glass shower. Oh my gosh.
The water from your
This is the one that we could see the water and the CN Tower.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so nice. Okay, like small closet, but this bathroom. Look at this bathroom. Look how big this counter is. Oh, that's a bathroom. Whoa. Nice.
Oh my God.
Oh, it's a powder room.
Nice. Oh, it's a powder room? This isn't the bathroom?
Interesting, yes.
This is the 2+1.
Yeah, master has the ensuite bathroom.
And then another one.
It would actually be such a nice building area.
That would be. This is way bigger than I thought it would be, that room. Oh my gosh, this is huge. And then another room. Oh my gosh, another bathroom in here. Small closet, but we can work with that because if I can put my clothes in the other room. Then a nice little view. Oh my gosh, this view is amazing. I love the view.
Look at this view.
That's so nice.
Victoria's is similar.
Sadie, I can't get over how perfect that little area is.
I know, like I could have office and then
And then a
closet.
walk-in closet.
That's insane because like I was worried that I would have to pick like one room to have good lighting in and then one room to just like have random stuff in. But now like that one I feel like would still have good lighting. This one would have good lighting.
What do you do?
I'm a YouTuber, so I need good lighting like everywhere. That is a huge closet. Oh my god. Sadie.
Look at that one. So big.
Yeah.
Oh, Victoria, this is like yours?
Yeah,
this
it's
is
exactly identical.
I know.
Sadie.
This is nice.
Are we gonna have the same apartment?
She has a better view than me.
This is perfect. I think you, like, I don't think you can do any better than this.
Sadie. I mean, it's kind of good. Mwah. How do you feel? I hate making decisions. Oh no. I don't know because there are two that I really like. They're similar in price, but like it's like pros and cons in both of them, and they're also like a little bit over my budget, so I don't know what parking is, so then I need to find out what parking is. The good thing is I have two options. Like I have two favorites.
Yeah, and more are gonna show up too. There could be like a double of one of them we've seen today that shows up.
I know, but I want to move in November 15th.
I mean, yeah, but like as a backup, maybe with the cheaper price tag at some point.
Yeah. This is crazy. It's a chilly one today. I have this big, huge jacket on from, oh, this is from my haul. It's the garage one that I showed you guys, and it's cropped. And it had this cute little thing on it. And then my sweatpants are from Aritzia. My top is from Brandy. And then my purse is actually a different one. I'm using this one from Call It Spring. I love this purse. I had to put like all my documents and my camera, my phone, my insulin, everything in there. So I choose like a huge one. And they had a bunch of amenities. They had like a spa, they had a running track, outdoor yoga, cycling, gym, pool. Like they had everything. You just couldn't really see it because it's still like a completely new building, so they're still building it, but they have so many amenities. Oh, thanks, Queen. Stand on the freaking dot. Get away.
That's if there are two different people.
Yeah.
Now I'm trying to be funny, laugh at my joke.
Bubbles.
Don't step in the pee. It's so weird sitting in the back seat of my own car.
Yeah,
like this is so weird. Like I just noticed how big my car is for the people sitting in the back, like with this roof. I just feel like I'm so far away. I can't reach. So it's the next day and we are back. There are actually a couple more apartments that we think could be a good fit. So we're back in the exact same building. I think one of them is a 2+, so 2 bedrooms plus a den. 2 of them, she said, maybe included parking.
Closet, there's better.
Yeah, closet here. Whoa.
But this is cute.
This is cool.
This would be the bedroom.
Bedroom.
Look at this view. That's
Oh my gosh, this is a good view.
really nice.
Oh my gosh.
You also have a building in front of you here because you're right on the corner.
Whoa. That one did not come with parking. 2 walls of windows in one room, 1 wall of windows in the other. But it seemed like the rooms are smaller though than the other ones that we
Maybe,
saw.
yeah, but they were so nice and open that it didn't matter.
Yeah. Oh, 2+, yeah. Okay, den. Ooh. Another.
Right.
This is nice
Sadie,
though.
You see this with a dark cabinet? See?
I still like it. Yeah, it's not
You
bad.
can work This with one it. is
I love these windows. Oh my gosh. These windows are crazy. They're literally just like 3 panes. Yeah, the floors are really white. No, yeah, this would definitely work. Like I like this
So
unit.
this would work.
Yeah. Light kitchen, dark floors.
storage.
Oh, big bathroom. Oh, this is bigger. Oh, that's nice. Oh my gosh, this view.
The view's gonna be at night.
I know, at night it comes all together with all like the lights and stuff. I can picture like my little products in there, like all organized and cute. And, oh, and there. These last 2 units are literally the only ones available with a 1+ with parking. Let's all just say a prayer. Let's all say a silent prayer. Law of attraction. I'm so glad that we just found the exact perfect apartment for the exact price. It's a parking spot. There's 1+, there's so much lighting. I can fit everything. Thank you. So grateful. Thank you.
This looks nice and open.
Oh, light floors. This is open. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's 2 bathrooms?
Oh, this is the 2 bathroom.
Interesting.
She was like, what's cooking? I'm not a cat person at all. But what she did say is because we live so far away, she can literally, like, if she's gonna send me all the listings like tomorrow that are new, I can just be like, oh, I'm interested in this one, and she'll go in the morning and take a video of it for me and then send it to me.
Because you already.
She literally said, you've seen all of them. Like, I've seen every single one. And now we're down to like literally slim pickings.
Did you see any new ones today?
They were kind of different. One of the ones we saw was, it was really cool, but it had dark floors. I'm so tired. Why is apartment shopping so exhausting?
Wait, did she send you the link?
So I just realized that I never actually made an outro kind of ending to this video. Right now I'm actually in the process of submitting an offer. So we just submitted an offer on one of them, and it is crazy. This whole experience, like, I was doing so well at the beginning and I found the one that I literally thought that I was going to get, and then the parking just like flipped everything upside down, and now I can only look at these like 10 in that building that have parking, and they are over my budget. So we are submitting an offer and it's kind of low, but we are submitting as like November 1st move-in date, so it's pretty early for them, so they can be winning a lot of money if they take that, but also it's like a lower offer. It's just like so crazy, and it's just been like taking up my whole like day in my thoughts, because all of these apartments are going so fast, and especially the ones with parking. Like, everyone apparently wants parking, and for this building there's literally a 25-person waiting list, and those people aren't even going to get parking this year. But I'm just praying that something happens, like something pulls through, because I'm really excited. So I guess you guys won't know if I got one until my next apartment video, but give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you are excited to see if I get one. I'm just trying to stay positive. Make sure to subscribe and press the bell to get notified when I post a video if I actually get one, because then you guys will be the first to know. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.